No combination of words I can put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I could try for your heart. Our dreams, and they're made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs and sepia tone of loving. Love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart. Like why we're here and where do we go and how come it's so hard. It's not always easy and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. With all of these moments just might find their way to my dreams tonight. Well, I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings and brings new things. For tomorrow, not just see, but they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do. But if all of these dreams just might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'll be under the impression that there's somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. Not so many things we have to do, or places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.